This is the 91 Silverado. It's got the 4.3 liter engine. Here's a view of the interior. It's a two-door. It's a short bed, square body truck. I redid the interior. When I first got it, it was damaged on the interior, so I went ahead and redid the interior. I got a brand new headliner. It's got a brand new headliner on, new sun visors. The dashboard, I managed to find a new one. Well, it's used, but it was in great conditions. It's not cracked. The original was very cracked. It was trashed. I managed to put this in. I put new front speakers in here. Replaced the radio. I put a dual radio. It's got the DVD screen, 7-inch touch screen, flips out and opens. The carpet, originally it was a plastic floor mat, leather imitation. I took that out, had a couple tears. I also managed to find a nice decent carpet, red carpet, to match everything else, so I put that in here. I put insulation underneath. The original truck that had it was automatic, so all I did was I just cut around on this carpet. Nothing major. It was real easy to do. It's got the original bench seat, 90% in good conditions. Everything's good, everything's great, except for that corner right there. It's got a tear from the years. It looks pretty bad, so I temporarily put this seat cover for now. Maybe down the road I might sand this to get it redone with a nice stitching design. I went ahead and window tinted the windows myself. This is 20% window tint. Here's a view of the door panels. It's got manual windows, manual locks and stuff. When I got it, didn't have anything, so I went ahead and put this Cheyenne emblem right there. I like the Cheyenne trucks, so I went ahead and put that on. Originally, it's a Scottsdale truck, so I'm gonna replace this as well for a Cheyenne down the road. And who knows, I mean, this is just a fixer-upper, guys. It was real bad when I got it. I still, as you can see, I still got plenty more to do if I end up keeping the truck, because I got two vehicles. I got this, and I also have my 94 Explorer right there that I plan on fixing up. I like that truck. I also like this, but then again, I don't need two vehicles. I also have a company work truck, so it's just too many cars. I don't need all of them. There you guys have it, my 91 Silverado. It's a great truck. It's been very reliable. These trucks are becoming more popular to restore. Very reliable with 5-speed manual transmission. And here's the view of the back of the truck. This right here, it's a plastic floor mat. I found it at a junkyard, so it fits the truck. The Chevrolet emblem right there. I really like that design of wheel. It's just very nice looking. Like, this wheel comes with the 454 SS Chevrolet Silverado. These wheels is just one of the reasons why I bought this truck, because I just like that design of wheel. So that's the wheel. We're here on the driver's side of the truck. It's got the very nice steering wheel. It's got a RPM gauge. It's got the 3 pedals and a e-brake. Let's jump right in. There's a view of the gauge cluster. It's a 91, and to my understanding, the 91s did not have this gauge cluster. I might be wrong, but I did some research and it came with a different design. So I don't know if at some point they replaced this gauge cluster. I'm not sure if you guys know, if you guys are more familiar than I am. Let me know in the comments if why does this truck have that gauge cluster. And I like it. I'm not complaining. I like it better than the original one. So it's just very nice gauge cluster. The shift knob, it's got your 4-speed with the overdrive with your 5th gear right there. Like I said, guys, it's not a perfect truck by no means, but it's got potential for sure, especially because it's a very nice design. It's reliable, it's manual, and just check that out. That front, that's my favorite part of the truck. That front right there, just square body. This is your OBS truck, so nice Chevy bow tie right there. So now let's take a look at the engine so you guys can check it out. All right, little flickering light. There you go. So over the time, I replaced the new battery. I installed a new radiator myself, new spark plugs, new spark plug wires, new serpentine belt, new lower hose, new upper hose. I got a K&N filter installed, of course. Flip the filter cover for more airflow, of course. You got to. So what else did I do to this? If you can see right there, it's got a spacer right there. He might give it a little bit of more horsepower. I don't know. Previous owner did that. I did not. Like I said, this is your V6 4.3 liter engine. It's got original manifolds, your no headers, but it's original exhaust manifold. I did plan on putting some headers on it, but like I said, guys, I don't know what to do. I mean, I do not need two vehicles at the moment, especially when I got a work truck. So I plan on fixing that right there. I like that. It's also a manual, and believe it or not, those are rare. 94 Ford Explorer. I'm gonna fix that up as well. This right here, I like it, but I might end up selling it shortly. I don't know. I've got quite a few offers for this truck, so the right price, I'm gonna maybe consider letting it go, guys. We'll see what happens. But before I do sell it, I just wanted to make a video on it, on the 91 Silverado 1500. All right, guys, hope you guys liked the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more videos like this. Just me talking about cars. I love cars ever since I was a little kid. I love sport cars. I love trucks. Just anything that's nice to look at. I enjoy talking about it. Me personally, I like the older cars. Something about them, you don't see them on the road that much, and they're nice to look at. All right, guys, y'all take care, and until next time, like the video, subscribe, and peace out, guys. All right.
What we do here is go back.